Alright, the purpose of this presentation is to talk about how to embed your presentation into a blog. Now there's lots of different methods or tools for creating the presentation. I'm going to focus today on Google Slides because I'm guessing that's what most people are going to use. PowerPoint is a little different, but it can still be done. Prezi is easily done, and Haiku Deck is another one that's pretty easily done. So I'm going to just start from my CSD Docs page. I'm going to create a Google slide. Let's just say that here's my slide, there's my theme, and it's all done and it's awesome. I'm going to go ahead and say publish to the web. I'm going to say embed and publish. Say okay. It's going to give me this, and this is code, okay, which may not mean anything to you right now, and that's fine. You just do copy it. Now I'm going to go to my blog. Let's just say this is my new blog post. Okay. Within Blogger, there's an HTML and a more traditional text-rich editor. Okay. So if you click on HTML, if you have things already written here, there'll be a bunch of code already here. Try not to change the code that's there, but just simply paste the code that you've got. And then if you go back to compose, there will be your presentation. Now I did something wrong here, and I'll tell you what I did, and I kind of did it on purpose. The size of your presentation needs to be small, not medium or large. The default is medium, and as you see, there's not enough room there to fix that. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to undo that. And then I'm going to go up here, back to my presentation. I'm going to change it from medium now to small. It changes the code. I come down here, I click on it again, I go back over here to my thing, HTML, paste it, and then if I go back to compose, now it's in the size that I want. And the nice thing is, anything you change in your slide automatically gets changed on your blog because it's a live link there. So as long as the code is correct, it should link it correctly. Even if I went back now and added something to my slide, for instance, if I went like this and gave it a title, test, and then I went back to my blog and I refreshed the screen, it would say test. So that's just how you do it with Google Blog and Google Slides. Obviously those two things work together well, and Prezi will let you embed an HTML code. A Haiku Deck will do the same thing. PowerPoint, I would recommend with PowerPoint that you transfer it to Google Slides or one of those other methods and then embed that, just because because PowerPoint obviously is not web-based. It's a file that's downloaded on your computer, and it needs to be something that's web-based to embed. So that's just how I would recommend going about that, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.